Hello, my name's Ben Mueller, CFO of National Canine Dogs. Just want to get a couple minutes with you and talk about our services and products. We are bringing canine protection and deterrence to Colorado, Texas, and Minnesota. That's where we're based out of. And we're expanding throughout the country to help businesses, schools, and families protect the assets that they love. Canine protection and deterrence is a whole other level of security. Okay, I'll give you an example. With a business, you may be spending $300,000 to $500,000 a year in security costs. Let's say you've got a crop that's an asset and you're protecting that crop from intruders, from criminals, whatever, right? You're spending that much money per year to protect that asset. Okay, that's a lot of cash flow. That's a lot of cash flow, right? With a canine dog, that's world class. The bloodlines are there. They're master trained. We are talking about a fraction of the yearly cost for 8 to 10 years. You've got that asset, that canine, for 8 to 10 years at a fraction of the cost of what it's going to cost you on a yearly basis to protect your asset. And a lot of these security companies, if you drive by facilities where there's a security guard, right, that's in charge of watching that crop or watching that business, you'll find them sleeping in the car, right? You're spending a lot of money on non-professional security. Okay, that's from a business standpoint. From a school standpoint, unfortunately, we've got a lot more things in our schools than we used to have, right? A lot more drugs, a lot more, we've got weapons, we've got situations that can break out. Well, what does a canine do? The canine comes into the school twice a month, and these are contracts that we do. Okay, so you're not buying the dog. We come out with the handler, the professional handler, everything. We go through the lockers, we go through the parking lot, the cars in the parking lot, we go through the premises and sniff out any drugs or weapons that may be on the premises. Okay, from a family standpoint, you've got protection with a dog. You've got a family animal that has the ability to be a massive deterrent to those trying to break into the house. Okay, the level of canine varies, right? You can have a lower level canine that's just a barker, big old German Shepherd or whatever type of breed that you prefer. Those are lower level canines. We go all the way up through canines having the ability to sniff out drugs, to be able to bite if needed, to be able to attack if needed. Okay? If you've got a crop as an example again, and you've got mold that's growing, the dog can go sniff it out. Okay? So we offer a wide array of services, and all these dogs are master trained. They come from the best suppliers in the world, and they have the best bloodlines that you can find, and our master trainers take them and cater the canine asset to whatever your needs are. Okay, so if you're looking for security for your business, home, school, I want you to take a look at National Canine Dogs. You can go to nationalcaninedogs.com, read all about us. We've got combined of 30 years of experience with canines and training them. So we've got all the backup necessary to make a successful transition from us to you. Okay, so again, if you got any questions, go over to nationalcaninedogs.com. You can go in, put your information in there, and contact us through the website. Have a great day, everybody. Take it easy.